how to use hard money loans to flip houses without a down payment. Let me show you two smart ways to use hard money loans with no upfront costs. Seller contribution. This means negotiate low enough with the seller to cover your closing costs, lender fees, and your down payment. It's a win-win. Your seller gets to sell the house at the price that they wanted, and you get your first flip. For example, so you and the seller have an agreement that you will pay whatever price you agree to. But as the buyer, will put in the contract a higher amount, and anything over your agreed amount, you'll get back at closing, or it goes towards your down payment and closing costs. So essentially, all you're doing is simply raising the contract sales price with a separate line showing how much the seller contribution would be. But be sure not to go over your lender's max LTV, which is loan to value. Of course, your lender would have to be okay with this, and that's why it's important to speak with several different hard money lenders, asking them if they would have an issue with this. Most of the time, they really don't care if it comes from the buyer or it comes from the seller. The second approach is similar to the first way, but without seller contribution. So you find houses priced well below market value. If you can purchase below the lender's LTV ratio, you could roll in the full purchase price along with the down payment. So similar to the seller contribution, but instead the lender is adjusting like their numbers to any percentage less than their max LTV to go down towards the down payment and just basically to get the loan done. Again, you'll have to speak with a few hard money lenders to see if they're willing to do this, but most shouldn't have a problem with it. And if they do, just go and talk to another hard money lender that is willing to do it. Most of these types of hard money lenders will be the smaller local lenders, but it's very possible with a few larger ones as well, so it never hurts to ask. Just type in the Google search hard money lenders in your city, and you'll pull some up. Now, you're more than likely to have to show some type of reserves to either pay contractors or having enough to be able to show that you can pay for the monthly mortgage payment for at least 6 months. But in my next videos, I'll tell you how you don't need those so-called reserves. I'll also tell you how to work deals with contractors to get them paid and how to come up with those interest-only mortgage payments. So stay tuned, like and subscribe for more tips and real estate advice. Stay flippin'.